My people, now well done, now good morning, now good afternoon, now good evening. I greet you according to our time. Now welcome back to today's video. If today na the first day we be say you just see my channel, you are highly welcome. My returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my video. Today's video, my people, I go to show now you will take use onions and Vaseline take clear stretch mark. Yes, this thing it work very effective. It dey very effective. Now I use I be mother of three. Before I start to dey burn, I no get stretch mark, but immediately I start to dey burn, stretch mark come full my body. Na wetin I use be this, trust me, e dey work like magic. You see that tummy area wey be say e go be like say excuse one kind that mommy tummy. See, try and use this effect onions and Vaseline. You see any part of your body wey be say stretch mark dey, this remedy that like e go clear am. And if you wan apply am, you make sure say you dey apply am every day for at least 1 month. When me do am, I do am for at least complete a month plus, get it to 2 months before I stop. I make sure say I no dey see the stretch mark again before I stop. Not just do am once or 2 times you come dey expect to see result. No, na small you dey do am every day, you go dey see the result. E go dey clean. After 7 days you go dey see the result. So the onions I come peel am, I come wash am, then I come grate on am. See am when I dey do am just now. So after that one, then I come put my pot for fire, then I come put Vaseline. This na Vaseline, 1 tablespoon of Vaseline. Then I come put am. You no need to make it hot. Just make the Vaseline just melt. So after e melt, then I come put the onions on a very low heat. Then I come add am inside. Then I come begin dey stir am. I just stir for like 3 minutes. Yes, I just stir for like 3 minutes on a low heat, like very low. So that make it not burn. So on a very low heat, as you guys can see, this thing dey very good. Well, if you see want make you clear that your stretch mark, any part of your body where e dey, your lap or your hip or someday go dey be like say e dey near your armpit side o. Like this remedy, e dey very good. E go clear that stretch mark, e go make your skin look good. That place like e go blend with your skin. Then after you don do for like 3 minutes, then I come put am for my sieve, as you guys can see. Then I come sieve am, press am well, make sure say all the juice comot for the onions. I come press am well, sieve am. Take your time, okay, take your time. Then after I don sieve it, I come turn am for my container. Voila, my cream don ready. E don ready. Very effective. And if you wan use this cream, you make sure you use am in the evening after you don baff finish, before you go sleep. After you baff finish, you no just rub cream put for the place where be say the stretch mark dey o. No, not rub cream, not let anything dey there. Then what you need to do now to just use this effective, just use am take rub am. So my people, now so now the breeze don pass the cream small now, and the breeze just enter small, so the thing come be like say e dey thick. As you guys can see, you see e got thick. So that's it. Like e dey scent like say na cream. Very good. See what you need to do now to just take small, use am rub your hand, put am for hand, then use am rub the place wey be say the stretch mark dey. That's it. E just still be like say na cream, nothing more, nothing less. E just still be like cream. So that's it. So now you my people, make sure say you use am every day, as I first talk. No use am one day come expect to see results. So that is it, guys. If you know say you enjoy this video, abeg, and you watch me up to this time and you never subscribe, abeg, may you not forget to subscribe. May you like, may you share, okay? So I'll see you now again for my next video. Now bye bye.